Have you ever looked at the ingredient list on your lip balm and wondered if you could make one yourself? Today, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful DIY Beetroot Lip Balm using simple ingredients. This recipe is moisturizing, beginner-friendly, and gives your balm a naturally rosy appearance without artificial colorants. Take 1 fresh beetroot, wash it properly and grate. Place 1 tablespoon of the freshly grated beetroot into a heat-proof glass jar and pour in 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil or coconut oil. Set the jar inside a saucepan filled with a few centimeters of water to create a gentle water bath. Heat over low temperature for about 20 to 30 minutes. Avoid boiling the oil because high temperatures can reduce the quality of the oil and affect the color from the beetroot. Stir occasionally while the oil slowly develops a light reddish tint. Once the infusion is complete, remove the jar from the water bath and allow it to cool slightly. Pour the mixture through a fine sieve or cheesecloth into a clean bowl. Press gently to extract as much infused oil as possible, while leaving the beetroot pieces behind. You should now have a beautifully tinted infused oil ready for the lip balm. Add 1 tablespoon of beeswax pellets. Heat gently over the warm water bath until the beeswax melts completely. Remove from the heat and stir in ½ teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Mix slowly until everything is fully combined into a smooth liquid. Carefully pour the warm lip balm mixture into small, clean lip balm tins. Work fairly quickly because the balm begins to set as it cools. Leave the containers undisturbed for about 30 to 60 minutes, or until the balm is completely firm. Your homemade beetroot lip balm is now ready to use. This balm helps keep lips moisturized thanks to the beeswax and nourishing oils. The beetroot gives the balm a naturally rosy appearance. Store your lip balm in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. It should stay fresh for approximately 3 to 6 months if prepared with clean equipment. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another DIY beauty recipe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.